We're on the beach with the Vanquish 540 and we're testing out some Bluetooth headphones. Also, in this video, you'll find out how you can win a weekend's detecting ticket for Spring Detectival 2020. Hello all, Aaron here, back out again on the beach as you can see. And as you heard from the intro, we got the Vanquish 540. And today I'm going to be testing out these Bluetooth headphones from August. These are the EP650 and they are aptX low latency headphones. So there shouldn't be any lag or anything like that when using them with the Vanquish. Very good price these are as well. So I'll give them a run out today on the beach and see how we get on, and I'll let you know if I recommend them or not. Sid has already been using them and he says they're great, so let's find out. I'll give them a crack. Also today in the video, if you stick around, I'll be letting you know how you can get a free weekend's ticket for Detectable. If you've tried to get hold of one, you couldn't because they were all sold out. Don't worry, I'm giving away a ticket so that you can be there for free. All you need to do is sort out your travel and your accommodation. Bring a tent. Yeah, so that's coming up a bit later on and what you need to do to win it. Very simple. Right, should we get cracking? I'll see you at the first hole. Let's dig. Now it could be me, but I have already noticed a slight lag with these headphones. Maybe it's me, I don't know. But yeah, have a listen. But I don't know. Maybe I'll be fine with it by the end of today, but yeah, I just thought there was a slight lag. But anyway, I found something here. Let's get in. Let's find out what it is. Beaver tail. Start as you mean to go on, Aaron. Start as you mean to go on. Right, I've got something here. Let's have a little look-see. Right, it's in here apparently. Let's have a little look. Right, there you go. Tiny little rivet. Not what I was hoping for. It was giving me numbers for £1. Bugger. There's something in here. I had to chase it around a little bit because I couldn't find it. About 4 inches down. That came out. That's why I couldn't get it in the scoop. It kept falling out the scoop. Yeah, this is picking up a lot of small targets, very small targets. Yeah, it's doing very well at that. That's the multi-IQ coming into play. Whoop. But there you go. Now I've lost it again. Anyway, I'll find it. You can see 4 inches down, wet sand. It's a bit of tat. It's a bit of tat, admittedly it's tat, but picked it up nice, good stable signal. Yep, but it's tat. Bugger. Right, so we've got a hole there. We're talking what, about 7, 8 inches down. And I got a target. Numbers ringing in 20, 21. Lovely. It's a big pre-decimal that, I reckon. Couldn't have it. Couldn't tell you what though. I mean, that is absolutely crusty. Very crusty. If I can get it cleaned up, I'll let you know what it is. But yeah, really pleased with that. Looking like a pre-decimal. Nice. a date there along the bottom. Something like 1913, I think. Which I think would make this George V. In there. Somewhere. Yeah, I can't get it better than that. That is properly crusty. But it's nice to get pre-decimals. Very nice. Right, I'll scour around here for a bit longer, see if I can find any more. Next one out. Numbers of 22, 21. Little halfpenny. I wondered how long it'd be before one of these popped up. 5p. Now, the reason I'm not doing many live digs at the moment is because I'm still trying to get used to these headphones. There is a slight lag, at least I'm picking up a lag. I don't know if it's the same with all of these headphones or maybe it's the ones that I've got, but there is a slight lag, and it's causing pinpointing and everything else to become a little bit of a pain in the bum. So yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm going to have to carry on with them, obviously, persist and see how I can get on, see if I can get used to it. But yeah, I'm not liking them so far. A little foot scrape. There's another halfpenny. Yeah, I'll tell you what, it took me a while to find these though. I did start off down there on the wet sand, as you saw. I wandered off down there and then, yeah, came back up here because there was nothing down there. I wasn't getting anything. Really clean beach. But this seems to be where the coins are at the moment. Alright, I've got something here which gives me the similar numbers. As the old penny, so I'll carry on digging. I'll show you what it is when I find it, if I find it. So there we go, that's what was in the hole. Yep, again, it was quite deep. I filled it in now, but yeah, it was a good 9-10 inches down, but it was giving me the same sort of tone as yeah, like I say, the old penny. So that's a bit of a bugger. I thought I was on onto a nice pre-decimal there. Okay, let's get to this Detectival giveaway. I know a lot of people have been asking about this, wondering when I'm doing it. I'm doing it right now. If you want to get yourself two Detectival, Spring Detectival 2020, if you can sort out your own travel and your own accommodation, a tent, or any of the you know, like Premier Inns that are local, then all you've got to do is pop a hashtag below this video. And what I want to know is, I've been out with the Vanquish today. Now, what was the very first pre-decimal coin that I found with the Vanquish? What was the very first pre-decimal coin that I found with the Vanquish? If you think you know, pop it down below in the comments as a hashtag. No spaces, no gaps, all one word, whatever the coin was, no spaces or gaps, hashtag, and then your answer. Correct answers will go through to a draw, and a winner will be randomly selected with enough time before Detectival, Spring Detectival, so that you can book it off if you need to or whatever. I won't be doing the draw at last minute. I will make sure you've got plenty of notice, okay? So what was the first pre-decimal coin I found with the Vanquish on this beach? Pre-decimal. Leave it in the comments below. Hashtag and your answer. Okay? There is one little term and condition connected to this. You must be a subscriber. Okay? It's a great prize. I can't just give it away to any Tom, Dick or Harry. You need to be a subscriber. Whether you're a new subscriber or a loyal subscriber, part of the South Coast crew, it doesn't matter. Yeah? Just make sure you are subscribed. Right. Shall we carry on? Right, ringing in. There's a 20. It's dog tag. Here you go. It's quite a funky one, look. Right, let's have a quick look if there's a name on the back. There is. There's a address, postcode, and phone number. There you go. Apparently they're from South Terrace. Well, there you go. Yeah. Dog tag. Right, I've switched headphones. I've gone onto the wired headphones now because the wireless ones there was just too much lag for me. Couldn't get on with it. Okay, it's something down here. It's probably going to be trash, but to be honest, I'm going to dig it anyway because the finds have been few and far between. They really have. It's not been a very fruitful day, shall we say. Not been very fruitful at all. But yeah, something there. Let's give it a dig. Right, appears to be some piece of old buckle. Something or other. Yeah, nothing too special, but at least it wasn't a ring pull, eh? At least it wasn't a ring pull. Right, next bit of tap. Looks like, oh, lead weight. A little clip. That clip might come in handy. But, yep, into the bag, tap. Right, that is it for me. Just a little hunt out today so that I could also make this giveaway video. I switched to the wired headphones in the end because the headphones that I've got, the August, I'll dig them out for you, the August EP 650. Now, I don't know if this is the same with all of them or whether it is just my pair, but the lag on these with the Vanquish, oh, it's not good. It was very, very off-putting. Very off-putting. You know, you'd swing, you'd pick up a target, you'd try and find that target, but because of the lag, the target's over here, you know, so you've gone straight past it, and yeah, it's not good, not good. Now, I'm not saying that they're not a good pair of headphones. They're a very good pair of headphones. But mine, the ones I've picked up, didn't work very well on the Vanquish. That's not to say all of them don't, just this particular pair I've got don't. Don't know why. But there you go. So my search for a decent pair of AP TX low latency headphones continue. Unfortunately. Right. Now, if you are interested in more Vanquish videos, just click the link at the top of the screen up here. If you're interested in Simplex videos, click this one here at the top. If you're interested in the classic, the Ace 250, click on the playlist down here at the bottom, or if you like the Kruzer and you want to see more Kruzer videos, click the one down here in this corner. I shall see you all again soon. Good luck, happy hunting, and good luck with the competition. Ta-ra!